This Halloween, experience the thrill of your event from a whole new perspective. Up in the sky. At Flying High, we specialize in capturing every detail of your Halloween festivities. From haunted houses to trick-or-treating trails, we bring the spooky spirit to life from the air. Watch as the eerie glow of jack-o'-lanterns, the thrill of haunted hayrides, and the joy of festival goers come together in stunning aerial footage that makes your event unforgettable. From spine-chilling performances to lively parades, Flying High in Florida ensures that no moment goes unnoticed, capturing the magic of your event in cinematic, smooth and high-definition video. Whether it's a sprawling haunted maze or a cozy community gathering, our drones take you beyond ground level, giving you the ultimate Halloween experience, captured in all its glory from above. Let Flying High in Florida elevate your Halloween event, making it one to remember long after the night is over.